Assalamualaikum. This is Lara Ghulam Muhammad, property consultant from G Stones International, a UK-based real estate consultancy firm. Today's video is really excited. It's about Parkview City, and why it is so excited because I have a really compelling personality here with me, and who has his big hand behind the success of Parkview City and its development and its rapid success. So here is Mr. Fareed Bajwa, Sales Director of Parkview City. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum ji, क्या हाल है आपका?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
So today is Jummah, and how is your day?
The day in Islamabad is absolutely beautiful. You can
Literally.
see that. You can
Yes,
see it's
it
a
is,
beautiful
yes,
weather.
yes.
It's a beautiful
And
day.
you are lucky enough to have your time.
Oh yes.
Literally said that.
Thank
We
you.
are so obliged with that.
Thank
Okay, moving on to our really most prime question. People ask about its location and is it a CDA approved and what's the role of Aleem Khan in it. So what's your view on that, sir?
Okay, first of all, the location, we are in Zone 4 in Islamabad,
Yes, sir.
and we are only 15 minutes away from the Blue area, which is the main downtown of Islamabad.
That's great, sir.
So that makes us very, very close to the happening place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And as compared to the other societies which are quite far away,
Yes,
we
sir.
are very, very close to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are Islamabad, in fact.
Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir.
you ask me,
The
that's the
capital
way.
of Pakistan.
Yeah,
is
we
right
are
there.
Islamabad,
Yeah, yeah.
and it's a CDA approved society.
Yes,
And your next question is what is the role of Aleem Khan Saab?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Our
sir.
chairman Aleem Khan Saab, he is a very experienced personality in real estate sector,
Yes, sir.
and he has successfully delivered a few projects already in Lahore,
Yes, sir.
and now we are in Islamabad for the last few years.
Yes, sir.
And our chairman Saab, he's very, very passionate about Parkview City, Islamabad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So he spends a lot of time here. He manages a lot of things for us, and
Yeah.
it's a
And every step has been proved by Sir Aleem Khan, right?
he
He
is.
checked every single step of it, right?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
He is involved in everything
Yeah.
from the decision making
Yeah.
all the way to the
Yeah,
execution.
yeah.
So he is involved day in day out.
Yeah. And in last weekend we have a short meetup with Aleem Khan as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So moving on to the second
He's a
question.
very dynamic personality.
Yeah, he
You
is,
must have
mashallah.
noticed.
He is, mashallah. So Parkview City has 12 blocks, right?
Ji.
So how much block Parkview City is yet ready to give possession and delivery?
We have delivered A, B.
Yeah.
We have delivered H block.
Yeah.
We have the construction in our commercial downtown has started,
That's good.
and in the next couple of weeks,
Yes, sir.
our the current block which is being developed is H block,
Yeah.
and we will deliver H block. By deliver, I mean it will be green belted, it will
That's
be
great, sir.
it will be blacktopped, it will be lit with street lights, and you can see, if you must have noticed, the construction of houses has already begun there.
That's great. sir.
And in our E block, the first house started like a couple of days ago.
That's great,
Yeah,
sir. So
so-
Parkview City is yet ready to live
Yeah.
a standard
And
life.
if you, by the end of December 2020,
Yes, sir.
you'll see E block and
Mhm.
F block fully developed.
That's
Again,
great.
fully developed means roads, infrastructure, street lights,
Yes, sir.
the greenery, everything
yeah.
will be there, inshallah.
So it is showing me that Parkview City fulfilled its commitment really rapidly, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we are a society. We have, we try to deliver our plots to our
In time.
before
and
the
fulfilling its
installments
commitment.
ends.
That's great, sir. That's great. So that's a really trustworthy point, by the way. My audience here is a really trustworthy point sir just has shared with us. So what about J and H block? People are so much curious and excited and attracted toward H and J block. So what's the reason behind H and J selling has been so much increased now?
Because H and J, both of these blocks are right next to our commercial downtown.
Commercial downtown.
And this is Islamabad downtown. We don't
Okay.
call it Parkview downtown. This
Okay,
is
okay.
downtown Islamabad.
Okay, sir.
And the vision we have for this is this is we are very inspired by the Dubai Walk.
Yeah, and that's the picture of Islamabad downtown.
Yes, this
right
is-
behind,
yeah,
sir. That's
this
the
is-
picture of Islamabad downtown.
Yes.
Yeah, by the way. And it's
So
very,
J and
it's
H
really
are
great.
very, very close to. It's right next to the commercial
Parkview
downtown.
City is the only society who was gonna introduce Dubai style Islamabad downtown in
The
Pakistan,
dancing
right?
fountain.
So I am in your office, right? And I have seen your team, and they are 24/7 working on Parkview City, Parkview City,
Sure.
Parkview City. I have seen your success and commitments as well. So, sir, what's your dream behind Parkview City?
The dream is to deliver an absolutely beautiful project,
Yes, sir.
and the dream is that to give because a lot of urbanization is taking place in Islamabad.
Yes, sir.
People from close by, people from KPK, people
Yes, sir.
from Gilgit Baltistan, people from Lahore, because it's a capital.
Clients are so attractive.
So everyone wants to
Yeah.
move to
Yeah.
the capital city
Yes,
of the
sir.
country.
Yes, sir.
So what the dream we have is to give a very uh, a beautiful location at a
Yes,
very
sir.
very affordable
Yeah,
rate.
sir. At the center of Botanical Gardens and situated at the center of Mandela Hills, right? It has a really great, greeny, lavish view
Yeah.
to live a standardized life.
We are delivering Murray views,
Yeah,
the Murray Mountains
That's so
views.
excited because I'm a very nature lover person, right?
Okay.
So it's a really good place.
We are offering plots at multiple levels.
Okay.
So if you want to have a, if you want to wake up in the morning with a
Yeah.
mountain view, we have the view. If you
Yeah.
want to wake up with a view of a lake, we are there.
Okay.
You want to park view, which is our name as well. If you want to have a park view, that is there. So we have multiple options for
Yeah.
our clients. In
Yeah.
fact, hill is visible from every block.
Yeah.
The hills.
Yeah.
We're surrounded by 15,000 canals of botanical garden. If you travel from Blue area to Parkview City, the temperature goes down by at least 2 degrees.
That's great.
So it's very very pleasant.
That's great. So the overseas client and from Saudi Arabia, from Sweden, and from Dubai, and they ask about the investment purpose and about the residential purpose. What's your message for that?
Well, the investors, they look at 2-3 things.
Okay.
First of all, they look at the historical trends of a society,
Uh-huh.
what they have delivered so far,
Uh-huh.
and the plots which were bought like a couple of years ago. What is the market price now?
Mhm.
What is the price which society is offering now? For example, the plots that were sold for 3.5 million rupees
Mhm.
around a couple of years ago,
Mhm.
they are worth now 6 million rupees.
Sir, and I just want to ask about the investment purpose, where Parkview Street stands to promise and give confidence to their investors, whether it is an overseas investor or a Pakistani investor.
What makes us special is because we're offering a very lucrative and affordable installment plan to our clients.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that makes us very very affordable.
Yes, sir.
So we are delivering a very beautiful project
Yes,
at a
sir.
very affordable rate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So-
And you have a really minimum person for the position as well, right?
If you pay us it's only 25% of the plot price.
Yes, sir.
You pay us the down payment
Yes,
and you
sir.
can start your construction. We will give you the possession on day one.
That's great. That's great. And that's the only society, by the way, who is giving you confidence on just 20% or 25%
Yeah.
down payment, right? That's the policy only Parkview have. What's the standing point of Parkview City among the whole real estate industries?
I think one thing that also distinguishes us from other societies is we are very eco-friendly.
Yes.
We have planted around 250,000 trees, and we have planted 30,000 fruit trees.
That's great.
So that is to beautify the location.
Yes, sir.
Plus we are introducing solar panels there.
Yes.
So that's an alternate energy system.
Yes, sir.
So we are alhamdulillah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mashallah, sir. That's really great. That's really great. Sir, last but not the least, your main tagline, heaven on earth. So what's the meaning? What's the persona behind that line?
I've already answered the question. It is absolutely a beautiful society.
Yes, sir.
We are blessed with a beautiful location. We are blessed with a great team.
Yes, sir.
We are blessed, and the great team is delivering all the developments
With a
which you
really
can see.
professional team, by the
Yes,
way. Yeah.
and we are blessed with a very motivated sales partner network,
Yes, sir.
and we are because of our partners, we are digitally very visible
Yes,
to the
sir.
world now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So-
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, that's all from our side. Few words for G Stones and about their dedication, about their work.
G Stones team, I've met a few of your people. Shahid Saab is a close friend as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my best wishes to the G Stones team. You
Yes,
guys
sir.
are very professional. You have a good team, and keep it up.
Yes, sir.
All
Thank
the
you so
best.
much. Thank you so much. So I have a really great time with you. I hope my audience as well have a really great time with you, and you will have a really, really friendly nature.
Thank
you
you.
for your
All
time,
the
sir.
best.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.